BMW has unveiled something extraordinary, the 2025 R12S. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece that bridges the gap between iconic design and modern engineering. But what makes it stand out in a market flooded with choices? Stay tuned as we uncover why this bike is more than just a nod to the past, it's a bold step into the future. The R12S isn't just a bike, it's a love letter to BMW's rich history. Inspired by the legendary R90S of the 1970s, this new model captures the essence of its predecessor while elevating it to modern standards. BMW has masterfully reinterpreted the past to create a motorcycle that feels timeless and fresh all at once. The lava orange metallic paint, paired with red double pinstripes, immediately grabs attention. Every curve and detail of the bike, from the mini fairing to the brushed aluminum tank, has been crafted to evoke nostalgia while showcasing contemporary craftsmanship. Back in 1973, the R90S was a pioneer, known for its cutting-edge handlebar fairing and bold design. Fast forward to 2025, and the R12S carries that same innovative spirit, but with a modern twist. The design of the R12S is more than skin deep. BMW's attention to detail shines through in every component. The solo seat, with its elegant stitching and aluminum rear hump, is both stylish and functional. The red S badge on the side panels adds a bold touch, reminding you of the bike's performance pedigree. In the cockpit, you'll find retro-inspired analog gauges, complete with LCD inserts for modern functionality. For those who prefer a tech-forward experience, there's an optional TFT display that offers enhanced connectivity and customization. The short rear tail and swing arm-mounted license plate holder give the bike a sleek, uncluttered look. It's a design choice that perfectly balances form and function. Underneath its retro styling lies a modern powerhouse, a 1,170 cubic centimeters air/oil-cooled boxer engine. With 109 horsepower and 85 lb-ft of torque, this engine delivers smooth, consistent power that's perfect for both spirited rides and long-distance cruising. The Boxer engine isn't just about performance, it's about character. Its unique configuration gives the R12S a distinct personality, blending torque-rich acceleration with a refined, smooth ride. And thanks to BMW's commitment to meeting the latest emission standards, it's as clean as it is powerful. The R12S is built for riders who crave precision. Its steel trellis frame provides a solid foundation, while the fully adjustable 45mm inverted forks and para-lever rear suspension ensure a smooth, controlled ride. Whether you're tackling tight corners or soaking up bumps on uneven roads, the 4.7 inches of travel in both the front and rear suspension keeps you connected to the road without compromising comfort. Stopping power is equally impressive. The bike features dual 310mm floating discs up front, paired with radially mounted 4-piston calipers, and a 265mm disc at the rear. With BMW ABS Pro, you can trust your brakes to perform even in challenging conditions. The R12S isn't just about classic looks, it's packed with modern technology to enhance your ride. BMW's adaptive cornering headlight adjusts to your lean angle, ensuring maximum visibility on twisty roads. Heated grips and cruise control make long rides more comfortable, no matter the weather. Features like Hill Start Control and Gear Shift Assist Pro take the stress out of tricky situations, allowing you to focus on enjoying the ride. And with built-in traction control, the R12S keeps you grounded even in slippery conditions. BMW understands that no two riders are the same, which is why the R12S comes with a host of customization options. From titanium exhaust systems to soft luggage solutions, there's something for every style of rider. You can even add factory-installed features like tire pressure monitoring, a theft alarm, or the intelligent emergency call system. Starting at $21,590, the R12S is undeniably a premium motorcycle. But when you consider the blend of heritage-inspired design, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance, it's clear that this bike offers incredible value for those who demand the best. While it's priced higher than its stablemate, the R9T, the R12S brings a level of refinement and exclusivity that's hard to match. The 2025 BMW R12S is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It celebrates the rich heritage of BMW Motorrad while boldly pushing into the future. With its perfect mix of retro styling, modern performance, and jaw-dropping performance, this motorcycle is the perfect daily ride. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Is the R12S the perfect blend of old and new?